So everyone on my stream has been telling me that my case is too small. So I decided to get a bigger case. But I still wanted a mini case. I thought I bought a mini case. This case is looking pretty big. Looks nice, but it's big. Way bigger than my other case. Anyways. It's got a glass panel. But it barely fits on my desk, and I wanted my computer to be on my desk. If it faces so that the front is actually facing the front, I don't get the glass. And if I switch it around, the back I/O is facing forward. On top of that, all the cables can barely reach that far. So I had to run all the cables along down the middle of the case, between the case and the desk. Some cables were a little bit more tricky. Can't forget my keyboard. I almost forgot my keyboard, and then I had to completely redo everything. It was a lot of work trying to get the cables to actually fit properly. But I turn it on, and yeah, it works, and it looks nice. Yeah, there it is. That's my new computer, my new case. It's way bigger. It looks nice. And it works good. Upgraded.